Good morning, Scooter family. As many of you know, I've been researching cams for the 139 QMB, the gy6 to find the best cam to pair with the SA88 52mm big bore kit. If you've done much parts buying for the QMB, you know it's a crapshoot. Anyway, today I've got a question for you. Hopefully some of you are smarter and or more experienced than me and can help me get to the bottom of this. Thank you. Alright, so here we go. I've found a cam that I really like. I believe that it will be the best cam for the application. And I've taken to calling it a high lift cam. And I'll show you why in just a moment. But I've got several people that have been messaging me and telling me that my method of determining that it's high lift does not prove that it's high lift. And they're giving me all sorts of technical speak and telling me to do this and that and blah, blah, blah. Well, let me show you why I call it a high lift. And then please tell me if I'm wrong. I'm happy to be wrong, but I just don't see how this could be disputed. Give me just a moment here and I'll show you.
2,000 years later.
All right, check it out. Here we have a stock cam from a 139 QMB. I'm going to go ahead and take this straight edge and place it directly across these bearings, which these bearings should be straight across, same size. And I'm going to turn it, and you can see that those lobes are way below the straight edge, not even close to touching it. They clear, it spins just fine, no issue. Now I'm going to switch it for the cam that I'm referring to as a high lift cam. And we're going to do the same thing, put the straight edge on there. I'm going to turn it, and you can see that lobe hits and actually lifts it up in order to go around. And same thing with that lobe. You know, see they're hitting it. Now, I've got more than one person now has told me that that does not mean that it's high lift. And I'm no expert, so maybe I'm wrong, but I want to know what you guys have to say about that. To me, there's no question that that's high lift. That causes the rocker arm to push down farther on the valve and lift the valve farther off its seat, which to me would be high lift. So I don't know if these people are just trolling me or my understanding is incorrect or what's going on. So maybe one of you guys that's smarter than I am can chime in and tell me what you think. Leave a message in the comments, message me, email me, do whatever, but I want to know what the world thinks. I appreciate your time, and I'm going to continue doing my best work to provide you with the best information and the best parts and service and group and just the best of everything, to the best of my ability anyway. Again, thank you. Have a good one.